How to log in into Chase Freedom Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you'll find the search box, type in Chase Freedom Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, chasefreedom.com, open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website, at the top right corner you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on that. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you want to use token instead of password, you can check in for the option of Use Token and provide it. If you have forgotten the password or the username, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Chase Freedom Card account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.